Okay, let's start adding and subtracting fractions. In this case, just actually adding half to 1/5. And we're going to need to have a common denominator before we add these fractions. Right now we have the 2 and we have the 5. So what we're going to have to do is find the least common multiple to have a common denominator. And the least common multiple between 2 and 5 is actually just going to be 10, which is 2 times 5. Okay, so how can we change the 2 into a 10 and the 5 into a 10? Well, we're going to have to go step by step. And we have half here, which we're going to multiply by 5 over 5 to obtain a 10 in the denominator. And why is that? Because we're actually multiplying by 1, because 5 over 5 is 1, or anything over anything that is the same is also 1. And by multiplying anything by 1, we're not really changing it. So we're really only changing the way that we write it, but the value will be the same. And we also have 1/5 over here. But we also want the 5 to become a 10. So I'm going to multiply it by 2 over 2, because 5 times 2 is 10. Again, the 2 over 2 would really have a value of 1. So we're not changing anything, because every time that we multiply 1 by anything, we don't change it. We don't change its value. So anyways, so half times 5 over 5. Whenever we multiply fractions, we multiply top by top, bottom by bottom, or the numerators together over the denominators together. So 1 times 5 is 5, 2 times 5 is 10. So half is equivalent to 5 over 10 anyways. And over here we have 1/5 times 2 over 2. So same thing happens. We multiply top and top, which is 1 times 2, 2, over 5 times 2, which is 10. Now we can finally add the fractions. The denominator is just going to remain the same, 10, unchanged, and 5 plus 2, 7. Therefore, half plus 1/5 is 7 over 10.